Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is me, your subject teacher, Ms. Javeria Gill. I will teach you the subject of science, and our topic is of work and energy for week 1 and 2. First of all, we have to know about what is work. In its everyday sense, the term work means to do something that takes physical or mental effort. However, in physics, the term work has a different meaning. Work done on an object when a force causes a displacement of the object in the direction of the force. In science, the word work has a different meaning than you may be familiar with. The scientific definition of work is using a force to move an object a distance when both the force and the motion of the object are in the same direction. Let's talk about the formula of work. Work is equal to force into distance. The unit of force is newtons, the unit of distance is meter, and the unit of work is Newton meter. 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. So the unit of work is joule as well. Here is an example of work. A man is lifting a box by causing a displacement there with the help of exertion of force on it. This means work is done with the help of force and distance both. Another example is a force of 10 Newton that moves an object 3 meters, thus 30 Newton meter of work. What will be the solution? This you have to solve it by following this example. Now coming to the point, what is energy? The ability to work or cause change is called energy. When an object or organism does work and other object, some of its energy is transferred to that object. There are different forms of energy: nuclear energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, electric energy, chemical, thermal, and magnetic energy. The different forms of energy among all, on number 1 is mechanical energy. The energy used to displace a body or to change the position of the body or to deform the body is known as mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is again classified into two more types of energy, the commonly known as potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or due to state of strain is called potential energy. If a body is in a position such that if were released, it would begin to move, it has potential energy. There are two common forms of potential energy. One is called as gravitational potential energy and another is elastic potential energy. Here is the example shown below. The work done to lift a body above the ground level gives the potential energy of the body. For example, weightlifting. The types of potential energy: gravitational potential energy, when an object is allowed to fall from one level to a lower level, it gains speed due to gravitational pull. That is, it gains kinetic energy. Therefore, it possesses height. A body has the ability to convert its height into kinetic energy. That is, it possesses potential energy. Elastic potential energy. Same work has to be done to change the shape of a body. This work gets stored in the deformed body in the form of elastic potential energy. It is now kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of an object increases with its speed. Kinetic energy of an object moving with a velocity is equal to the work done on it to make it acquire that velocity. Kinetic energy is always positive and is a scalar quantity. The fact that moving bodies carry energy with them is proved by some of the several happenings in day-to-day life. Example, kinetic energy of a hammer is used to drive a nail into the wall. Bullet fired from a gun can penetrate into a target due to its kinetic energy. Other different forms of energy are sound energy, a form of energy produced by vibrating objects. Thermal energy, the energy of moving particles in a substance, also called heat energy or thermal energy. Electrical energy, a form of energy that is produced when electrons move from one place to another place. Light energy, a form of energy that travels in waves and can move through empty space where there is no air. Now the question is, how energy is converted from one form to another form. A change from one form of energy into another is called an energy conversion. What type of energy do you have when you are jumping on a trampoline? Can you ever examine what type of energy do it have? What type of energy do you observe in these examples? So my dear students, time of your homework task. Your week 1 and 2 work is mentioned here. Follow the whole work from the video and note down all the work in your subject copies. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe at home and Allah Hafiz.